Hello, everyone. My name is Yongkang here. I love Microsoft. I love Azure Cloud. I did 11 times Azure Cloud certifications. I love Kubernetes. I'm fully certified on Kubernetes. And I'm a Microsoft MVP and CNCF ambassador. Feel free to follow me via any one of the links listed here. So today I'm going to show you how you can quickly spin up Azure AKS Kubernetes Cluster, the latest version 1.29 in just about 5 minutes with just one command. So I will go straight to the live demo to show you how it works. But if you don't have a Azure Cloud account yet, so here is a link you can follow to create a Azure Cloud trial account in 5 minutes. Once you have the Azure Cloud account, you just follow the link listed here, AKS-deploy. You can spin up an AKS 1.29 cluster in 5 minutes. So once you've done your testing, AKS-destroy, you can clean up the environment. So a little bit of preparation tasks. So first of all, you need to install Azure CLI and configure it. So basically, you need to log into the cloud. And then you clone the repository from my GitHub page. I will show you my GitHub page shortly. So optionally, you can customize your cluster name, your VM size, your region, your zone, etc. So once you have the cloud account ready, you got the preparation tasks all done. You just run the one magic command. It's called AKS-deploy to build the AKS cluster from the command line. What we're going to create. So your resource group, AKS cluster, VM skill set, VNet, public IP, network security groups, load balancer, etc. We also will deploy a sample a PostgreSQL database. Let me jump to Azure Cloud, Azure Portal. So I logged into Azure Portal, and I also open up the Cloud Shell. Yeah, the reason is I want to use the Cloud Shell to do the demo. So here is my GitHub page. You can see the first one, AKS Casa. You just need one command, 5 minutes to build a ready-to-use AKS 1.29 cluster with PostgreSQL installed. Click into the link. So you can see, if I go straight to the README section, a little bit more information, all we need to do is just so go to Azure Cloud Shell. I already opened up the Cloud Shell, then clone the repository. I paste it to the Cloud Shell. And then the next step, since I already cloned the repository, it's already exists. So the next step to automate the AKS cluster, just copy this command and then paste it to the command line. And here we go. We just need to wait 5 minutes. And then you will see the AKS cluster will be up running. So while we're waiting here, let me show you, do I have an AKS cluster right now? So right now, I don't have anything yet. But after about 5 minutes, you will see a new 1.29 cluster will be created. Okay. As you can see from the screen right now, we're deploying a sample database, PostgreSQL. So let me come back to the slide deck while we're waiting to finish the creation of the cluster. So just a reminder, once you've done your testing, remember to remove the cluster to clean up the environment. So just run one command, AKS-destroy.sh to clean up the environment. We will remove the AKS cluster and then remove all the relevant resources we created. So let's see if the cluster created. So this time it actually takes 6 minutes, 2 seconds, but it's all good. Let's say what version we're running. So get to the node status, you can say I was running 1.29, it's a 3-node cluster. What else? Let's get namespace. So not only I have the system namespace, I also have the Yom PostgreSQL database 49 seconds ago. And if I say what storage class I have, well, this is on Azure Cloud. So you can see these are the default created storage class. If you want to verify from the in the web portal, you just do the refresh. You should be able to see the AKS cluster is up running. Okay, I think for the purpose of this particular demo, I just want to show you how quickly you can spin up a AKS cluster 1.29 in about 5 or 6 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, 5.5, or sometimes 6 minutes. That's all for today. I hope it is useful to you. If you do have any questions, please feel free to follow me via any one of the links listed here. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.